So as y'all can see, we're back in action. So I did take one of my mounts out of the house. Like, it was an extra mount. I wasn't necessarily using it. Not as much as I was using my main one. Like this one I had been using for one of my lights, and I don't necessarily use that light for every single video. And now that I'm doing YouTube and TikTok, Instagram, I've been doing like side by side content, so I've been needing that space now. So I just put the one that was in the car in the house, and it's sticking up, which is crazy. I don't know how it's sticking up in the house. I don't know. Maybe it's just been too hot. But I don't know. But hopefully, but we've been driving about a minute. Yeah, it's been about a minute, and it hasn't fallen. So So I believe it's safe to say that we're good. We don't have to buy another one. Are we gonna have to buy one in the house? Maybe. I haven't used it yet. Maybe. But yeah, we going back over to the shop. The girl from yesterday, we did have to reschedule, which is okay. You know, sometimes it just happens. I know I had went on a little rant yesterday, but you know, that's neither here nor there. Life happens. Like, I know I be having stuff going on, so I can't be mad when other people have stuff going on. And I know that's how that be for real. With a good 15 minutes to spare, I wonder if it's anybody that's here today. But y'all know when we got here yesterday, wasn't nobody here but me. No, I don't think so. I don't think there's nobody here. Yeah, it is somebody here. Since it is somebody here, and I'm sure she gonna have the music blasting, we ain't gonna be doing a whole lot of talking. So probably we gonna montage it. You know, we gonna do it up. We gonna do it right though. We gonna do it right.
Got me up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. My love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. Cause I got you, I got you. Been down, I stay close. Storm hit, I ain't let go. You the one I don't second guess. Late calls, I be pulling up. Never could I give you up. Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't wanna say too much.
Another successful day at the shop. Time to go home, wrap it up for the day. I ended up doing some brows also, so go me. At least it ain't got too dark outside. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I honestly, this little what is it, the magnetic holder. I think I just need another one of those. That way I don't have to keep taking that down. You know, I could just keep that in my purse. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Y'all, I be so happy about like the smallest things when. So I just posted a video. Ooh! I just posted another what was it? It was a girl maintenance vlog. Got 4 more subscribers. I love y'all. Welcome to the family. Yeah, we love that. We love that. Yeah, I get excited even about the little things. The little things is how we get the big things. You know, that's how we get there. I'm sorry if this adds a lot. My bad. It was a little toasty when I got in here. But yeah, what we gonna eat? Y'all, I definitely feel like I'm always figuring out what I'm gonna eat for today. Monday through Thursday, yeah, that's mostly what it's gonna be. What am I gonna eat? Where are we going? It's either I'm eating, I'm at the shop, or I'm going to Walmart. You know? It's one of those 3 things. Monday through Thursday, yeah. Definitely. I do have a makeup appointment tomorrow. I do need to clean my makeup brushes. I think I have some that's clean. I want to say I have some that's clean, but I don't know. I need to check on that. I honestly should have took that stuff to the shop today, but I wasn't thinking about it until just now when I was leaving and packing up. I did set the room up for the makeup. I gotta remember to bring that ring light cord, adapter cord. It's a little chilly. It's chilly. I don't know. I want chicken. Might go to Taco Bell today. Definitely might go to Taco Bell today. I definitely don't think I want that either. But I definitely don't want chicken. I don't want no pizza either. It's so hard figuring out, like, working 10 hours makes it's a little bit more complicated when it comes to cooking, because I just one, I don't be feeling like cooking. To be honest, to be real, I don't be feeling like cooking. So I don't know what we gonna eat today. But yeah, I am super excited about this YouTube journey. This right here, yeah, best investment that I've ever gotten. Best piece of equipment that I've ever gotten. And that's like wholeheartedly. And I do have the DJI mic mini, the 3. I'm not a fan of that one. I feel like I hear everything in the background. I'll be liking that. I hear everything in the background. I have to talk a whole lot louder. I'll be liking all that. I shouldn't have to do all that. This one, this bad boy, she gets the job done. I honestly wish I had got her first. But, you know, that I feel like that's the only way you're going to learn what you do like is if you know, you gotta invest. You gotta invest into good things. And the only way you're gonna know is if you try. And I tried. And I felt like, honestly, when I first got that mic, I knew immediately, yeah, this was a waste of money. But I was thinking, like, maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. But the fact that I didn't have to do much of anything with this one, this is the DJI Mic 2, didn't have to do much of anything. Love it down. The fact that I've put in so much effort into vlogging, doing my content, getting my content bad, that should tell y'all, yeah, she's really doing the ding. She's really doing the thing. Yeah, I love her. Love her real bad. Wish I had a been got her. Wait, for real, y'all, what we gonna eat? I don't know. Speed on it. Open it, lick it, spit on it. You counting on me, you can bet on it. We finna go stream with the bet on it. She said she don't care for she ain't one of a kind. She don't see none of the guys. She don't do no organizing. Stroking, give it beside you. I push that shit. Baby, get come with the motion. They make me lose my composure. My lady one of a kind. I did it with you. My lady one of Okay, I'm getting fresh content with